Today, we're whipping up a wilted spinach salad with a tangy lemon poppy dressing. It's a plant-based take on a gourmet salad. This vibrant, nutrient-packed dish serves two, perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. Now let's dive into the steps to make this delicious salad. First, gather all your ingredients. We'll need 6 cups of baby spinach, brimming with nutrients yet low in calories. Add 1 red onion or shallots, sliced into thin half rounds, and 6 dried apricots, julienned, a fantastic source of fiber. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of antioxidant-rich walnuts, chopped. For the dressing, we'll blend 1½ tablespoons each of maple syrup and extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar, and ½ teaspoon each of onion powder and sea salt, with a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to start making the salad. Now it's time to get cooking. The magic begins by assembling the base of our salad. That's the baby spinach, thinly sliced red onion, dried apricots cut into thin strips, and chopped walnuts. The variety of textures and colors not only makes for a visually appealing dish, but also a symphony of flavors with each bite. Next, we'll whisk together the dressing ingredients. This includes maple syrup for a touch of sweetness, extra virgin olive oil for a smooth texture, sherry vinegar for a tangy kick, onion powder for depth of flavor, and sea salt and pepper to taste. The key here is to whisk these ingredients in a pan and heat them just below boiling point. This process is crucial as it helps to blend all the flavors together, creating a dressing that's a harmonious blend of sweet, tangy, and savory notes. Pour the warm dressing over the salad to wilt the spinach and serve immediately. Enjoy your healthy and delicious salad. So there you have it. Our wilted spinach salad with lemon poppy dressing is a swift, scrumptious meal loaded with nutrients. Ideal for those seeking to savor a tasty yet healthful dish. Enjoy this salad and stay healthy.